Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a pin from Pinterest board. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing a pin from Pinterest board is a straightforward process. Alright? Because removing pins that are no longer relevant to the theme or focus of your board, you can streamline your boards by removing pins that clutter the board or make it less visually appealing. Ensure that the pins on your board align with its intended purpose and message. Now, I need you to click on the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon. I need you to click on it. And once you are here, basically just go to the section where you can see your board. All right. Now, this one, I need you to click on it. Now, once you have the pin loaded to your board, all right, I want you to click on this specific pin. There's going to be a 3 ellipsis buttons at the upper right corner. And all you're going to do is you don't have the option to delete, right? I want you to press and hold the specific pin. And there's going to be a pencil icon. I need you to hover on that. And I need you to click on edit. All right. Now, you see at the bottom, it says delete this pin. All right. Now, remember, if you choose this settings, it's going to be permanently when you remove pins with inaccuracies or errors to ensure your board provides reliable information. And if a pin contains personal or sensitive information, it may be best to remove it entirely to protect privacy. All right, all I'm gonna do is click delete this pin, click on delete, and voila, you have successfully removed pin from your Pinterest board. Now, if in case you encounter any problems along the way here deleting or removing pin from your Pinterest board, you might want to go here instead. I need you to hover to your profile icon, click the upper right corner, the 3 ellipsis buttons, and click on settings. And from here, click on the help center. You will be forwarded here in the website wherein you can get back to Inspired and just type in and see all the relevant topics that is related to removing pin from Pinterest. All right, and one of the support staff would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the issue if in case you encounter any problems removing pin from your Pinterest board account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.